What's going on today is our first ever do-it-yourself backyard depaving workshop, where some of our core volunteers, Josh and Taylor, agreed to use their driveway and part of their concrete pad in back as our big demonstration project of how anybody can depave their own driveway and extra concrete pads, pavements in their yard, and create places for more plants, more water infiltration, more gardens. And so we're at it right here with about 30 community members who wanted to come out and learn how to do what we do on their own property. The goal of Depave is to assist, educate, and inspire in depaving projects. So we want to show people that it's possible to do depaving. We want to help with some of the projects, but mostly we want other people out in Portland and around the city, around the state, around the country, and even in other parts of the world to do their own depaving projects. So we're trying to provide the information and resources and idea that they can do it so that they can get out and do their own.
Well, my favorite part of depaving is really the community building that's associated with it. So I love getting rid of asphalt and concrete, of course, but my favorite thing is just having a group of strangers come together and then be able to learn this new skill together, and then also create this space that they're going to be able to share.
So today we're trying to teach people start to finish everything that they need to know in order to do their own depaving project at their own property. So we will be covering soil testing, we'll be covering how to operate a concrete saw, how to operate a jackhammer we have today, and how to use pry bars and shovels to dig the stuff up once it's broken up. We're also giving people a packet of information and talking through the steps to doing a depaving project, from planning what you want the site to be, investigating whether you need permits from the city, drawing a site plan, budgeting for the total cost of the project, thinking about what you're going to do with the materials when they're taken out of where they are, thinking about what plants you're going to put on. Really what we want to provide is the information people need to know to go from absolute start to absolute finish of a successful project.
Well, the goal for these graduates is that they're going to be inspired, they're going to learn how to depave, and they're going to go home and they're going to depave their own driveways, or they're going to depave a community space. So, homeowners are also work at businesses, they also own businesses, they have children that go to school, and so, there's a lot of opportunity beyond just those driveways to go and depave community spaces as well.
There are a lot better things to do with urban space than cover it all in concrete and asphalt. We can grow gardens, we can have play areas, we can have trees, we can have opportunities for the water to infiltrate into the groundwater instead of picking up contaminants and running into the rivers. And we're trying to create a better urban environment for all living things.
Well, I hope you learned about how to depave, the steps involved in the process, and also had a lot of fun doing so. I mean, this is supposed to be fun. This is supposed to be something that is meant to inspire folks to go out and depave. So get to work.